Hi and welcome back to Film Pickle. I am Pushkaraj
I'm Rohan Nag.
I'm Rajnath.
and we are reviewing. Oh fuck! God.
I think we should just redo it.
Oh no!
It's gonna be dark in a few hours.
And curl up by the fire and open a bottle of wine. We should just reset.
Hi and welcome to Film Pickle. I'm Pushkaraj
I'm Rohan.
And I'm Raj.
and we are reviewing Edge of Tomorrow. Rohan, what do you find how did you find the movie?
Well, for once he got it right, so I don't have to shoot him again. That's the basic premise of the movie, not the shooting part. Basically, every time Tom Cruise gets things wrong, he just restarts his day. That's a great premise. That's what the poster says: live, die, repeat.
You're a weapon. They want to conquer the rest of the world. Unless you change the outcome.
It's a good sci-fi concept. It has been done before in Groundhog Day. So I like the movie. What about you, Raj?
I think the movie was very nice. The concept was good. And personally, what I loved about the film was that it gradually progresses. Usually there's a dip point in the middle, but in The Edge of Tomorrow, nothing of that sort. It was perfect. At least story and concept wise, I liked it a lot.
Okay, I personally got bored of the movie. I was waiting for the first half to end, move on, something to happen. First half dragged entirely, super badly. It was just like watching Groundhog Day with aliens and action thrown in. Good aliens and action, good fun for that part, good CG. But then too repetitive, too boring. The second half picked up pace, showed some sense, some way. The story moved forward. Part of it was extremely illogical and stupid. And I actually had a discussion about that all the time, traveling back thing. And he actually reliving the day over and over again.
I think I like to cut him off.
That's
I
why I
disagree
want
on
to.
this.
So you disagree with my review? So you are.
Sit. Alright,
Go on.
we will go back to the point where actually in the book, as Rohan and me were discussing, he doesn't actually relive the entire day. It is just happening in his head. Okay, he can.
You know what we
he
should
can,
do?
He can relive the day in his.
Why don't we take this whole timeline discussion into a different
Yeah,
zone?
let's discuss
Because
the
it's
timeline
about
part
the
separately,
movie.
exactly.
This is about the movie.
So let's just come back to
now
the movie.
Pushkaraj doesn't like the movie.
Yeah, I'm feeling
Yeah.
bad. I'm pushing to the
Yeah.
I didn't like the movie. Not worth it. Very boring.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I love the movie.
Exactly.
It has action in it. It has smart concepts in it. It has an okay story. The story is not that great, but the movie, I don't know. Raj, take it forward. I'm actually speechless at how good this movie is.
You know, apart from this, I'll complete it where Rohan left it from. The movie is good, but it could have been brilliant. Personally, if someone like for the Aam Aadmi kind of people, I don't mean the Aam Aadmi party, but for the layman people, they might take this as a very Nolan type of concept. But yes, it is somewhere parked in that zone. It could have been directed much better. Like the film is not impactful. उसमें ऐसा कोई dialogue नहीं है where you'll be like, जीतते क्या हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं और
I'm
गोजीरा टाइप.
sure that is not a Nolan dialogue. By the
That
way.
is not a Nolan dialogue. I'm just see.
Let's
what
put a
I'm
smile
going-
on the face of yours is a Nolan dialogue. Yeah.
Let's put a smile on that face.
So I'm
Okay.
just saying that it does not have any punchy dialogues.
Why so serious?
It does not have any one of the chumma action sequences are not
My
there.
problem with that film is exactly that. It's a typical
It's kind of
entertainer.
flat.
It's flat.
It's a
It's
typical
flat.
entertainer. It's a flat, typical entertainer
True.
with a happy ending thrown in for the audiences. Whereas the movie could have been fucking amazing.
It could have been.
If it was based on the actual book, it would have probably been amazing. But the way the movie has been
I
made,
agree with your
it's a
points on
typical,
that.
I agree with you.
entertainer movie. So not worth my while. You might enjoy watching it once, go in the theater, go on a date. Yeah, maybe
So
good.
to put it
They-
in very simple words, it is a good movie, but what he's saying is it could have been a 10 on 10 movie with a good director. The director is not that great.
Yeah.
He has
Yeah.
made Mr. and Mrs. Smith, which was really not that great. Born Identity, which was good because of the script, not because of the direction. So this is a movie which has been failed by the director.
Yeah, I would entirely agree there.
Yeah,
Which is why I gave it just a 6 out of 10.
So the
One time
writer,
watch.
so the writer had his moment, the actors had their moment, the editor has his moment, but there's no director's moment in the entire film. I think that was one thing that it lacked. And
Which was there in sorry to interrupt. Spider-Man 2 had that.
Yeah, Spider-Man 2 had that. The Times Square sequence. काफी कुछ था यार. So out of 10
for the Spider-Man thing, click here to see the Spider-Man review which we did.
Click where there?
Yeah, over there, right over
So
Fuck you, get back.
And so I'll rate this movie I think 8 out of 10. I was on the edge of my seat. Edge of Tomorrow.
I'll still give it a 6 out of 10.
I think you want to repeat that.
हाँ overlap था. So end में हम लोग करेंगे वो.
नहीं just.
या मेरे से end चालू कर ले.
Otherwise I can shoot you and we can restart again.
No.
Your leg's broken.
No, I'm good.
Then you better start over.
Oh, come on.
I'll rate this movie an 8 out of 10 because The Edge of Tomorrow kept me at the edge of the seat. So definitely 8 out of 10.
I would rate it a mere 6 out of 10. Worth a one-time watch.
It's a 7.5 out of 10 for me, and as we are following the IMDb rating as I keep saying, so it becomes automatic 8. So it's a 8 out of 10 movie for me. To bring it back, the director's moments were missing. The movie does not have standout action sequence. It's good overall. A sci-fi lover who likes the concept of sci-fi is gonna love it. If you are expecting something like I don't know, Saving Private Ryan, just then don't go for it. This is not that kind of movie.
That'll be all.
And the fans, if you want to continue with the sci-fi discussion which me and Pushkaraj were previously having, you can click on this next video coming up. This is not the movie review, this is all about sci-fi.
Sci-fi, time travel,
And please subscribe.
Enjoy guys.
Yeah. Bye from Philippines. Oi! Bye. काट दिया? चाय से कुछ जल्दी है तेरे को क्या?
हाँ क्यों है? तेरे को दारू पीने को मिलेगा, खत्म नहीं होएगा वहाँ पे.